Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Pecan Hill Farms. It's been a while since my last video. It's the dog days of rehab, that's all I can tell you. We're doing a lot of work on this house, this rehab house. But the first thing I want to show you, I had a birthday since the last time I was on vlogged you from our zucchini bread. I think Heidi and I made zucchini bread. But I had a birthday, and this is what my wife got me for my birthday. A new little Cub Cadet. My old one I gave to my son, or he took it to his kids at his automotive class at high school to fix it. Had a lot of problems, but so I donated it to him in the school. So this is what my wife got me, and I've used it once. You can see a little grass on the mower deck there, but it's pretty nice. It's you know, I know it's not a zero turn, but it has fantastic. It turns fantastic for a riding lawnmower, one-handed steering. You know, it's about everything you could ask for. So I thank her for that. And hopefully this will last me 10 or 12 years like the other one did. And maybe this may be the last riding mower that I ever use. I get up in my 70s, I might decide to let somebody else mow the lawn, but we'll see. But anyway, let's take a quick look over here at the ducks. I went back to the duck water station. I was using a pool for a while. There they are up there. And the problem with them is that they don't come up there and just drink and maybe splash around. They just want to sit in it. And when they sit in it, they do other things in it. And so, anyway, but they're enjoying it. And there's the chickens. I've let them in with the ducks now. I've opened everybody up together. And you can see the chickens here. They're in the shade. They just got some leftovers. And they're kicking around the shade. You can see them there taking it easy. Guess staying away from the hawks. We had some hawks around here yesterday, but I don't think they did any damage. I don't know. I better look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One in the dirt, one in the nest. Okay, so there's 8. So, and then there's the ducks just cruising, taking it easy on a beautiful Saturday morning. So let's the garden is kind of in August recess right now. It's just kind of just sitting there. I need to get out there and do a little bit of rehab work on it, which I'll probably do my next video. But I've been working on this house, and my fella that I had come and do the sheetrock work. Here we go in the garage. You can see what a mess it is. He still has a lot of sheetrock to come pick up. Insulation over here. So I've been cutting all the trim. A lot of pieces. Anyway, it's a mess. But here we come. Yes, I painted the brick. My wife wanted the brick painted. And I did too. And so then we have our tile here I'm going to put up around the brick, kind of a modern look to it. We are going to call this modern rustic, as we use a lot of modern colors and then a touch of rustic here and there. We got new windows. My new windows are in. No more popcorn on the ceilings. I scraped that. Texture guy put new texture on the ceilings. This room here is just about done. I got the blinds up. Got a new light fixture in there. My wife, we went down to Lowe's the other day and she was looking around at the light displays. And they had some of them they had marked down for clearance. Well, this is one of them. She asked about them. Said, "Well, they don't have any. They don't have any more. That's it. They sold them all." And she said, "Well, what about the display?" And so they called some guy over there. She ended up getting 2 of them taken down from the display and got them for half price. So my wife's good at that. She saved us some money. Here's another one that we put in the entryway. This room in here, I've got to finish the tile work here. Little trim around the edges, the brick. I got to do a little work inside the chimney. Inside the firebox. A few cracks I need to take care of in there. Paint it. Get that tile up. This room will just about be done. See, we've got all the new light switches, new outlets. I had to repair a lot of those outlets. So this room got the new vents up. This room about to be done. The office / bedroom, dining room area will be done. Entryway will be done. I am going to put some. I'm going to build a kind of a rustic. Let's see, back up on this wall here. I'm going to build a kind of a rustic deal here. I don't know how to. It's kind of an entryway place to hang your coat. And a shelf there, you like come in, put your keys down or whatever. So that'll be interesting. So this is basically almost done. Now we come back down in here. This room here is basically done. Light fixture up, blinds, closet doors. I just got a couple little touch-up paint here where the texture guy did a little on his last day, did a little work, sheetrock man. So this room will be a check off. This room down the hall, blinds, a little bit of check off work here. A little bit of paint here that where he did a little texture work, and right there. And I got to find some blinds to fit those windows. They're odd shaped, wide but very shallow. This room to be a check off. Master. Got to do a little work on the baseboards, a little caulk around the trim. Put a little caulk. This is the new closet / laundry area. There's the attic access. So he just textured this. So I've got to prime it, paint it. There's all the hookups. A good maybe day in here, half a day. This will all be done. I can put the flooring in, finish this room up. I don't know, a good day. I'd probably day and a half. I'll be done with this room. Here and then here. Carpet guys are coming out in about a little over a week, so I got to get this done ready for them. Now, here we go. The bathrooms. He got them all, finally got them all textured. And this is my area right here. I had him put that hardy board up there because he's a little bit stronger than I am. And so that's gonna be the next project. And we come through here to the bath. The other bath, you got that textured. So now that's up to me to prime paint, get the tub in, toilet in, the sink, and then work on the tile, new plumbing. So it's coming along. I think the kitchen's going to end up being the last thing we do. It's the one with the with a lot of our issues. We'd sure like it to be different with the size and such, but I don't know. That's something we still got to deal with. But anyway, it's coming along. I got, of course, the outside I have to do as far as landscaping. I think this brick wall in front of the house is coming down. You can see it there. I had a friend of mine at church say he'll come and help me. I've got a tractor so I could take it down fairly easy. I just got to find a place to put the bricks. I guess I could do that in the back. Get rid of that old gnarly rose bush. And do some more landscaping out front. Get this deck finished. Get the wood ordered. But anyway, so I may have to call in some reinforcements for outside painting. But we're getting there. But I just got to tell myself, time's not really an issue. I just got to get the carpet guys in, and then I can get them done. I can shut the doors of those bedrooms, say they're done, and I can work on the rest of the house. So things are looking up. I got all these lights. I was telling you about all those lights. Well, might have been too many lights. That hallway lights up like a airport runway. I mean, I tell you. But anyway, nobody's gonna get lost down that hallway. So things are looking good. I'm tired. I'm not the fastest guy in the world as far as doing this work, but it's what it is what it is. I mean, I just do what I can do. I get frustrated sometimes because I saw a sign in a wood shop that said cut twice, cuss once. Well, that's me. I'm measure twice, cuss once. That's me. I measure twice, cut 3 different times. But that's just the way it is. So I work for cheap. So anyway, back out the door. Got to finish this garage. I had to move the water heater and the old connections for the washer dryer. All that stuff's got to be taken care of, and this garage needs a good cleaning and a good painting. That'll probably be one of the last things I do. I got all my trim here and baseboards that I painted before I put in there, and it's just a lot of stuff, man. But I enjoy it. I don't know what it's going to be like after I end, but I am neglecting my garden a little bit. But that's just not much I can do about that right now. I'm kind of a one-trick pony. I get started on one thing, and I almost have to get it done before I can go start anything else. So, but we'll get it done. It's looking good. Sorry it took so long to get back on the vlog. I've just been very busy and tired, and but anyway, we're getting there. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, but you see what we got going, and I'll get one on the garden here in a few days, and we'll get it going and show you what it's like. I hadn't been over there in a week, so don't know what's going on over there, but we'll show you, and we'll see you later. Subscribe if you like, and we'll see you on the next video.